No, sure, there's nothing like having a good man to love you. All I had was a little teeny glass of wine, and look where I am. It's awful the class of people you meet in a place like this.
I can't accept bail on you, Tilly. I'll lock you up and let you sleep it off.
Oh, thank you, Sergeant. I was getting awful sleepy anyway.
Sorry, Hoffman. She's here entirely too often. All right, George.
Good night, Sergeant.